Dear friends and followers, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an intriguing topic that many of you have been curious about. Today's short video is about the classic passenger question. Do pilots have to eat different meals during the flight? This question has sparked a lot of interest and speculation over the years. There are many rumors about this question. Some people believe it's a myth, while others are convinced it's a strict rule. So, let's get cooking and uncover the truth behind this fascinating topic. Airplane food can be pretty dodgy even with a five-star airline. The quality and safety of in-flight meals have always been a topic of discussion among frequent flyers. Imagine a pilot getting sick from an in-flight meal on a long-haul flight. The consequences could be dire, not just for the pilot but for everyone on board. It becomes a safety and security matter if a pilot has to leave the cockpit frequently. The cockpit is the nerve center of the airplane, and the presence of the pilot is crucial for the smooth operation of the flight. If both pilots get sick, it could lead to pilot incapacitation due to food poisoning. This scenario, although rare, is something airlines want to avoid at all costs. Luckily, this is very rare. Airlines have stringent measures in place to ensure the safety and well-being of their crew and passengers. Most airlines have rules that pilots must eat different meals to reduce this risk. This policy is a precautionary measure to ensure that if one meal is contaminated, it doesn't affect both pilots. So yes, pilots should eat individual meals during their flight duty times. This practice is not just a recommendation, but a mandatory rule by most airlines. It's a mandatory rule by most airlines to prevent food poisoning. This rule is part of a broader set of safety protocols designed to protect the crew and passengers. Stick to a healthy lifestyle to minimize risks. Pilots are encouraged to maintain a healthy diet and exercise regularly to ensure they are in the best possible condition to perform their duties. Thank you very much for your time. I hope this video has answered your questions and provided some insight into the measures airlines take to ensure the safety of their flights. Wishing you all the best. See you next week. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting content. Safe travels. Welcome back, aviation enthusiasts. Now that we've uncovered the truth about pilots eating different meals, let's delve into some other fascinating safety measures airlines have in place to ensure a smooth and secure flight. Did you know that airlines have a rigorous checklist system for both pre-flight and in-flight operations? Before every flight, pilots and crew members meticulously go through a comprehensive checklist to ensure every aspect of the aircraft is in optimal condition. This checklist covers everything from engine performance to emergency equipment, ensuring nothing is left to chance. Another critical safety measure is the regular training and simulation exercises that pilots undergo. These sessions prepare them for a wide range of emergency scenarios, from severe weather conditions to mechanical failures. By simulating real-life situations, pilots can react swiftly and effectively, ensuring the highest level of safety for everyone on board. Airlines also invest heavily in advanced technology and real-time monitoring systems. These systems provide continuous updates on the aircraft's performance, weather conditions, and potential hazards. With this information at their fingertips, pilots can make informed decisions to navigate safely through any challenges that may arise. Additionally, the collaboration between the cockpit and air traffic control is crucial. Pilots maintain constant communication with air traffic controllers who provide guidance on flight paths, altitude adjustments, and any potential obstacles. This teamwork ensures a coordinated and safe journey from takeoff to landing. Lastly, the role of cabin crew cannot be overlooked. They are trained to handle various in-flight emergencies, from medical situations to evacuations. Their presence and expertise provide an additional layer of safety and reassurance for passengers. So, the next time you board a flight, take a moment to appreciate the extensive safety measures in place. From the diligent efforts of the pilots and crew, to the advanced technology and rigorous training, every aspect is designed to ensure your journey is as safe as possible. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of airline safety measures. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of aviation. Safe travels, and see you next time.